Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's start with some quotes. Stump these out and see what we get. Don't plan your whole life out. Let life surprise you a little or a lot. Time flies whether you're having fun or not. The choice is yours. When you start obsessing, pause, take a step back, take a few breaths, zoom out. What's the bigger picture? How are you feeling in your heart? Next time someone you care about starts talking about other people, pause and ask them to share what's going on with them. What's happening with them? Heart-to-heart conversations. Healing does not mean the damage never existed. It means the damage no longer controls our lives. All right, I shuffled some cards before I started, and this is what we got. Just like the moon, I will go through phases. Kindness is magic. So today I'm gonna make like a drunken wizard and cast friendlium to strangerous spells all over the place. Emotion. Conquering fear equals defining fear. Tim Ferriss. Write down what you're anxious about. Write the thoughts and emotions surrounding it. If it helps, draw a picture. Can you properly define your fear? There is nothing to fear but fear itself. Franklin Roosevelt. What is the worst possible outcome of your fear? Does fear aid in preventing that from happening? What can you do to control the outcome? How are you really? Small talk is small talk for a reason, and you're not obligated to spill your guts to everyone. But some people desperately need to hear the truth, even when it's ugly. The people who want to show up for you are only as good as the information they have. They need you to be the captain of the ship. And if you feel like your ship is sinking, like a sinking little canoe, tell them. Give them a chance to show up and help row you to safety. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hey, I'm just showing you what I'm doing with my leftover quotes after I'm done using them in a video. Gonna stick them in a little envelope. Got them all squared up. Made these little envelopes. Gonna seal it. Find some tape. Tape it, stick it in a little baggie. I think I will put this little hot pink rock then it's ready to go be hidden in town somewhere, and we'll show you where we hide it later.